Hey everyone! Baseus has launched the GoPlay One Max, a new line of wired gaming headphones designed to elevate the gaming experience without breaking the bank. Priced at approximately $21. Let's dive into the standout features that make the GoPlay One Max a compelling choice for budget-conscious gamers. The GoPlay One Max features a 40mm dual dynamic driver unit that delivers a rich, bass-heavy sound. This setup provides gamers with immersive audio, offering powerful low frequencies that bring depth to explosions and other intense in-game sounds while maintaining clear highs for voice and environmental audio cues. The result is a balanced sound profile with resonant lows and crisp highs, ideal for action-packed games and movies. To further enhance audio clarity, Baseus has equipped the headset with high signal-to-noise ratio technology, effectively reducing background noise. This is particularly advantageous for competitive gaming, where hearing minute audio details such as approaching footsteps or distant gunfire can make a significant difference. Designed with comfort in mind, the GoPlay One Max features breathable, skin-friendly mesh ear cushions that help reduce heat and minimize ear fatigue during long gaming sessions. The lightweight ear cushions adapt to various head shapes, distributing pressure evenly. A durable metal frame and adjustable headband add to the headset's comfort and longevity, allowing it to stand up to hours of continuous use. It includes an omnidirectional, fully adjustable microphone that can be positioned to pick up voices clearly, minimizing background noise. The microphone is also detachable, giving users flexibility in choosing when and how they use it. Baseus has integrated intuitive controls directly onto the headset, making it easy for users to make adjustments without pausing their gameplay. It includes an on and off toggle, a microphone mute lever, and a volume adjustment wheel, allowing gamers to fine-tune audio settings quickly. Furthermore, the GoPlay One Max comes with a 3.5mm audio interface, ensuring compatibility across various devices. Weighing around 258 grams, the GoPlay One Max strikes a balance between durability and comfort. Constructed from ABS, PC, and aluminum materials, the headset is built to withstand regular wear and tear while remaining comfortable for extended use. It offers a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz and a sensitivity of 102 decibels, providing users with balanced sound across different audio levels. Baseus has incorporated several advanced audio technologies to enhance the GoPlay One Max's performance. Features such as AUDIC for fast charging, BRC for spatial audio, and DCLL for low-latency audio ensure users experience minimal lag and precise spatial audio placement. GoPlay One Max lacks active noise canceling. It brings excellent audio clarity and comfort, making it a strong contender for those looking for an affordable gaming headset with solid sound and design. The Baseus GoPlay One Max is a well-rounded gaming headset, offering features that far exceed its modest price tag. With its robust audio performance, comfortable build, and user-friendly controls, it is an appealing option for gamers on a budget who don't want to compromise on quality. Whether you're a casual gamer or someone who enjoys marathon gaming sessions, the GoPlay One Max provides an enjoyable, immersive experience at a price that won't break the bank. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.